Columbus sent his companion, Miguel de Torre, to explore the interior of the newly discovered continent, he returned with the report that he had seen natives who sat before burning pieces of wood upon which they placed dried leaves and then inhaled the smoke through tubes inserted in their nostrils. This was the first acquaintance of white men with tobacco. All smoke, including cigarette smoke, contains some carbon monoxide, a poisonous gas that combines readily with the hemoglobin of the red blood cells and prevents it from absorbing oxygen in the lungs and giving it off to the tissues.
It seems to be confined to the stomach.
Oh, what chance do I really have, Doctor?
Mr. Marshall, I have no desire to mislead you. I'm sure you realize that recovery is not a sure thing, but if we can go through surgery as quickly as possible, I believe you have a good chance of recovery.
A medical dream comes true under the drive of industrialist Henry Kaiser, who holds the plans of the ultra-modern hospital designed by Dr. Sidney Garfield, director of the Kaiser Foundation.
In hospitals and elsewhere, progress is being made in the diagnosis and treatment of cancer. Special equipment, like the X-ray fluoroscope, helps identify and locate cancers. This is the kind of instrument used to make the photograph of Mr. Marshall's stomach cancer.
This is the last word in the combination X-ray machine and fluoroscope, imported from Holland at a cost of $25,000. Every portion of the body through 180 degrees can be photographed.
For some cases, X-ray treatment is an acceptable technique. The X-rays are focused on the cancerous tissue. X-rays help destroy cancerous cells. Only specially trained technicians should ever administer such treatments, because any large excess of X-rays may harm healthy cells as well as cancerous ones.
Yeah, you ought to be a very happy man, Mr. Marshall. As far as we can tell, your operation is a success. How do you feel?
Well, I feel pretty good, Doctor. I haven't any pain, and I'm mighty anxious to get home.
Well, you are feeling well. Wanting to go home. Don't you worry, you'll be there.
We will conquer cancer.